I think designers are going to go back to analog again. Given that I've seen recently that they've been doing a lot more analog stuff with regards to like switching to digital cameras, writing notepads back, there's a real change at the moment. And, I think it's because we've become a little bit too comfortable being behind the screen. Honestly, though, putting away the laptop for just a couple of minutes actually might make you a better designer doing things manually on a piece of paper. I mean, you've got the start of the project. Like, think about how much most of us at the start of projects, you get the brief, and then the literal first thing you do is open up Figma before you've even figured out what you're actually trying to solve. You've already started doing auto layouts, doing button sizes, or what font is going to go well with this. You're designing the final polish before you've even done the core thinking. I've been in industry quite a few times, and this is a lot of the time what will happen. However, when you pick up a notepad and you just sit down, that's when you can get back to that simplicity and you're sketching stuff out on a notepad. There's no grids, there's no software distracting you. You can actually draw out terrible ideas, cross them out, and just explore. I mean, even when I've been scripting some of these videos, I'll just write things down or just completely go off the cuff when I'm videoing some ideas. AI will just pump out like 50 different screen layouts within like 5 seconds. And our value as a designer isn't just making something on the screen, it's knowing what should actually be built in the first place. I really do love technology. Technology is really cool and everything, but there is an art to being old-fashioned, and big projects, teams like, sticky notes and whiteboard crazy ideas. It's not because we don't have computers, it's because we're stepping away from the screens that force your brain to rethink. I mean, there's also been studies on how ChatGPT will literally lower your brain critical thinking. Notion and Figma, they give efficiency, but efficiency shouldn't be the goal when you're still trying to brainstorm. Sometimes you just need to start slower and then naturally let the ideas evolve over time. Here's my challenge. Do not open up Figma first, grab a piece of paper, write down the problem, sketch out 3 ugly layouts and cross them out. Only open your laptop out once you've actually got an idea of what you're trying to make. You're going to stop staring at that intimidating blank digital canvas screen because the hard part, it's already done. You've already started fixing things. At the end of the day, a 3000 MacBook doesn't make you a great designer. Your ability to think, that does. If you really like thinking critically about design, I would really recommend you check out the User Needs Substack, where we actually talk through a lot of different design topics. Once again, thank you very much for watching the video.